Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Satellite Beach local and long distance movers near me. Moving within a city or town is best left to local movers because of their expertise and experience. Some of the movers Satellite Beach has in it are local movers, and an example is Satellite Beach Local TM Movers. They won't only save you the stress, but also make the experience smoother and quicker because they understand the town's roads, routes, and traffic and know how to navigate them. When relocating out of Satellite Beach or into the city, local movers can't serve you well. They are limited for this kind of move, and their expertise and experience are only good for local relocation. You need long-distance movers, and with several FL movers specializing in this relocation, you should be able to find a reliable mover like Satellite Beach Long Distance 3 Movers for your relocation. 3 Movers, thanks to their expertise, experience, licenses, knowledge of the regulations of different states, and ability to handle challenges unique to this relocation, can not only plan for moving your things across long distances, but doing it quickly and smoothly and keeping your things safe through the process. Ensure the mover you're hiring has insurance coverage because that's one way they protect customers from loss. Also, request quotes from different movers so you can check out cheaper options and not pay more than necessary. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Satellite Beach moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.